It's that time of year again when we celebrate the harvest season and the bounty of colorful fall produce that it brings. Piling more of these fruits and vegetables on your plate means more fiber and immune-supporting nutrients like vitamin A and C.
And the staples of the harvest season include things like winter squash, apples, and hardy root vegetables that are resilient in colder conditions and typically deep in color and nutrient rich. We're going to share a few of our favorites to feature this season with some flavorful pairings.
And I think apples are an iconic staple of autumn and are a good source of fiber, plus they're fat-free, cholesterol-free, and sodium-free, making them a heart-smart choice. A favorite choice to feature is Honeycrisp apples. Like the name suggests, Honeycrisp have that crisp and juicy texture with a sweet and tart flavor. They make a terrific portable snack just as they are, but they're also an excellent option to feature in savory, desserts, or even a decadent breakfast. And this option over here is screaming, make me for fall brunch. It's an overnight almond butter apple French toast casserole. Say that 3 times fast. But it is delicious, and you're going to tell us a little bit more about how to kind of whip up some other varieties of options too.
Yes, and this looks delicious, by the way. Well, another top choice to add to your weekly rotation is winter squash, with several varieties like acorn, spaghetti, butternut, or buttercup. Winter squashes can range in color from pale yellow to blazing orange, and many winter squash varieties are going to be a rich source of vitamins A and C, as well as being low in calories and fat-free.
And one of the more popular varieties is butternut squash, which pairs well with warming spices like cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg. And this is awesome for another breakfast option that is savory in an open face butternut squash and kale omelet. Perfect for these cold, hearty vegetables to be featured for that really warming option.
Yes, I love that, and I believe you also use the shortcuts in that, and so that's a great way to save some time. A great way to add more color to your plate is with beets. Now, beets' purple hue comes from their rich concentration of anthocyanins, which research has linked with protecting against heart disease and certain types of cancer.
And today we've showcased them in a roasted beet hummus. Now, this is perfect for enjoying for game days or as a pre-dinner appetizer. The simple ingredient list makes it easy to prep, so you're just going to roast some of your beets, allow them to cool, whip up some garbanzo beans, lemon juice, olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper in your food processor or blender, and then when it is smooth, you can serve it up with a little bit of crackers, some warm bread. Great to feature again for those, we keep saying fall Saturdays, but it's a great option.
And it certainly catches one's attention, doesn't it?
It's right.
Next up is turnips, and this autumn produce pick offers a rich source of fiber, vitamin C, and folate. Turnips can be boiled, baked, roasted, or mashed as a feature in some lower carbohydrate menu options as well. And you can elevate this root vegetable by featuring it in a rustic winter vegetable tart paired alongside carrots for some color, as well as some thyme and goat cheese.
And this smells incredible. We're getting hungry in here. And incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your eating plan this fall is a great step toward improving health and an opportunity to explore some new flavors and recipes. And if you're looking for more culinary inspiration for fall-themed produce recipes, visit foodcity.com.